and a chain. So let's get right into it. Now first what I'm going to do is jack this up so I can get to the back of the go-kart easier. So now that the go-kart is at a better height, what we're going to do is just to remove the bolts that I already had on this engine, on this frame. I only have 3 bolts, but we are going to get a 4th one later. Bolt number 4. Number 3. So we're just going to lift this. Now the engine doesn't exactly fit with the seat all the way back, so we're going to have to adjust that. So now that the engine fits with the seat, we can add back in our bolts. Now the setup I'm using for these bolts are first a lock washer, and then a regular washer, and of course the nut. Now just for the sake of time, I'm just going to loosely put these on here, just so they'll stay. Okay, so there's a bolt back here in the left back corner. Now we're putting one in the right back corner. Lock washer, and then bolts. And now since we only have 3, I'm just going to put it in the right top corner, if I can reach it. Well, actually I'm going to put it in the left top corner, because that's a little bit easier for me to reach. Alright, so there we go. Alright guys, like and subscribe and share, and for the next video, we are going to be putting on the clutch and chain. Alright, so thanks guys, like and subscribe as always, and we'll see you in the next one. Hello guys, well I hope you enjoyed your time on my channel, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.